So what would be an inversion here, right? I would say a good inversion to get tag along for a trade. Here it's a pretty big. Here I would say that similarly, just like this, right? So think about this as a inversion that has been. It's an inversion, right? Which inversion reclaim. So you want it the price trade through this, make a bullet, give you at least a bullish order block, right? Trades through this, takes this, makes this an inversion again, or rather reclaims this, whatever that this is, right? And give us an order block. I would be okay risking, because it's still macro. I'd be okay risking some amount here, right? So where is this? Short and long. I will go long here. I'll target these equal highs as my first one, where a majority of the positions would be taken off, and something like this, which is what? 1:2.4 risk reward trade. Not bad, but this is something that I'm okay risking it if it once it closes above this. So about risking about 30 odd points right here. So about this. ES doing the same thing. I'm just waiting for this close. Yeah, it closed. So I think this trade is valid. And this is something that I'm okay risking, as I said. So, you heard what we were discussing during the live session today, and now I'm just doing a recap in terms of what really transpired in the market. So you'd see that, this was the liquidity or the target that we had, equal highs, right? It's nothing but engineered liquidity. There was also an equal high here, which was also an opening range high. So there were layered liquidity here and here, right? And then what were we looking in the setup? The price came in very aggressively, took the Asia low, right? Reversed from here. And what we said was this entry, this would be a good entry because this was a reclaimed inversion, if you will, right? You see a lot of the price came in, and this was an important PD area that I've drawn. And once the price came back and tested it, this was the entry targeting this high and eventually this equal high right here. And the market obviously was very choppy today. So it did actually, you know, got a little bit more lower to this bullish order block that I have marked here, and then as you see, it couldn't even get to the midpoint of this order block, and then immediately reversed after there, eventually taking these targets. So, again, being a very choppy day, it required a lot of patience this morning to identify the high probable trade. And as we trade in our, with our model, there are a few things that we look at. One is you want the opposing liquidity to be taken out, which in this case was the Asia low. You want engineering, liquidity pool, right, or engineered liquidity on the other side as a target, which was also there. And then you need some bullish signatures, and this particular area and with this candle signified that, right? So all of that was in the making, and eventually it formed a winning trade in this extremely choppy market this morning. So that's about it, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.
Hey everyone, it's Dale here. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like to trade alongside me and our team of prop firm funded traders every day, then click the link below the video and hop aboard. We are looking forward to trading with you.